Do you ever feel like your body isn't good enough? Like no matter what you do, it's never perfect? You're not alone. But today, we're going to rewrite that story. Let's transform self-criticism into self-love. We're surrounded by messages that tell us our bodies aren't good enough. Maybe you've compared yourself to someone else, hated the way your body looks, or felt like you're not enough. But here's what they don't tell you. Your body is a gift. It's beautiful, strong, and uniquely yours. It's time to honor it. Now, let's do some exercises. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine a warm, golden light glowing in your chest. Feel it expand with each breath, spreading through your arms, your legs, and every inch of your body. Picture your body being surrounded by this light, as if every cell is being nourished by love and gratitude. Say to yourself, "Thank you, body, for carrying me through life. Thank you for being strong, enduring, and uniquely mine." Repeat these affirmations after me. I love and honor my body just as it is. My body is a gift, and I treat it with kindness. My imperfections make me beautifully human. I am grateful for all that my body allows me to do. I deserve to love myself completely. I am connected to the infinite abundance of the universe, and money flows to me effortlessly. I am worthy of wealth and deserve to receive it with love and gratitude. Money is a reflection of my self-worth and flows to me as I honor and love myself. I attract wealth and prosperity as I radiate confidence and self-love. I love myself, and the universe loves me back through infinite financial blessings. As I nurture my body and soul, I align with the energy of abundance. I am a magnet for financial prosperity because I honor my true worth. I let go of all resistance and trust that money flows to me naturally and effortlessly. I am open to receiving abundance in all forms, knowing I am worthy of every blessing. The more I love myself, the more abundance I attract into my life. I am grateful for the constant flow of money into my life, which supports my dreams and self-care. Every act of self-love opens the doors to financial prosperity. I am aligned with the energy of wealth, and it flows to me freely and joyfully. I release all limiting beliefs about money and embrace the truth of my abundant life. I love myself enough to attract financial blessings with ease. Abundance is my birthright, and I welcome it into my life with open arms. I choose to believe in my ability to create and receive financial freedom. With each moment of self-care, I amplify my ability to attract money and success. The universe supports my self-love journey with endless opportunities for wealth. I am powerful, deserving, and ready to receive all the financial abundance I desire. Every time you repeat these words, you're nourishing your mind, body, and soul. Save this video and come back to it whenever you need a reminder. You are worthy of love, just as you are. Subscribe for more affirmations for self-love and positivity.